Something big. What's going on, fishing fam? Hope you guys are having an excellent day. Having a great day today out here at Mission Bay. It's 4th of July today. We're gonna be here till tonight to see the fireworks. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning right now. We got super lucky, found a spot. Got a parking spot as someone was leaving. Normally down here, people are camping the day before. It's really hard to even get a spot. So we got pretty lucky. I got one pole out already. We're gonna be going for some giant stingrays today. Got the pole holders lined up. Gonna start getting everything rigged up, ready to go here.
Hi, YouTube.
Spencer's right here. We're here with the fam today. And we got Spencer's friend Bella down here. You guys might have seen her in a carp video before. But we got whole squid out there. See if we can get something big. I've been told that it's a lot better to fish from, you know, the bays or the sand shore when it comes to landing these big stingrays, maybe leopard sharks. A lot easier to land them. And that's pretty much it, guys. We're gonna be out here all day long until about 9 o'clock tonight after the fireworks. So we're gonna be here long enough. Our poles are gonna be out there, so hopefully something wants to bite. You guys stick around, stay tuned, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, guys, so this is the rig we're working with. There's not much current here, so I just got a 2-ounce flat weight rigged up with a I think 60-pound steel leader, and that weight's just free flowing on there. And then we got down here to like a, I forget what size, but pretty big circle hook. And then I'm just running it kind of through the head right here so that head doesn't fall off. And then just back through like that. And there we go. I'm gonna launch this boy out there. And then we're running 15-pound fluoro on here, which isn't too heavy of a line, but it'll make for a funner fight. Oh yeah, launched it way out in the middle. All right, guys, so I'm rigging up another pole, a little smaller piece of squid, smaller hook, of course, and I have a 1-ounce torpedo weight, just a little drop shot, smaller pole, smaller setup. See if we can't get something, spotted bay bass, anything that wants to bite on this guy, stingrays. All right, guys, so I'm doing a little foot mission here. Spot's right over there where we're all set up at. And I saw this little dock over here. Got a little underspin tied on here. Little spotty candy. See if we can't get one. Got the juice tied on. Cast right on the edge of that dock. There he is, guys. Nice one too. First spotty on a beach area. I'm gonna go show Bella and them. Nice one too, not bad. Not bad at all. He's probably 12 and a half or so. Bella! Bella! Wanna see it? Spotted bay bass, hurry up! It was like my third cast. Check him out. You never seen one, right? Spencer, check it out. Nice one.
Do you get to keep it?
No, I'm throwing him back. He's too small. It's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Touch him. Just kidding. He's pretty cool looking, right?
Yeah.
A lot of spots and stuff. Touch him. Feel him. He won't bite. He doesn't hurt. It's cool, right? Let's get him back. You want to throw him back?
Yeah.
Want to throw him back?
No.
All right. Let's release this guy. See you later, little buddy. All this grass is brown grass. Usually the spotties are gonna be in the green stuff. This is all like rotten grass, brown grass. You don't want that. You want the green stuff. This brown grass doesn't create oxygen that the spotties like. But if there's bait, it might just be here. Something big. That 6 pound test. That 6 pound test too. That might be a Hallie. Oh, big spotty. Big spotty. Big spotty. Look at the size of that spotty, dude. 6 pound test. Come on. Ah, look at the size of that spotty. Look at the size of him. That might be my new PB. Had my drag loose. I got 6 pound test. Threw out right on the edge of that launch ramp in that open area where there was no grass. Look how he choked that underspin. Gone. That is gone. So, yeah. He hit it right on the bottom. Look at the size of that spotty, guys. That is a tank. One big fish. Best spotty I've caught in a long time, dude. Look at that, guys. He is a beauty. Out here catching chunks, boys. That's how we do it. Choke the underspin. See you later, buddy. Another chunk. Decent one. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Thanks for producing for me. You're a nice one. Little chunk out here, guys. I'm just finding the patches. Wherever these patches are in the eelgrass, I'm trying to cast into them. And that's where they are. There's some bait too, so that's probably why mostly why they're here. Eelgrass plus bait equals spotties. Alright guys, so I went over to this little dock over here, got on a few spotties, and now I'm back over here. Gonna check the poles out down here and see if there's any bait left on it or anything like that. I haven't checked the poles since we got here, first cast it out. We're gonna set up the grill, barbecue, all that stuff. And you guys just hang tight, stay tuned. Who knows what the day's gonna bring. Fresh piece of squid going out. See what happens. Actually, I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna go over here with it. Oh, they're gonna swim over there, but give it a shot over here. Loosen up the drag. Reel this guy up. All right, time to send it. Sending it. Up the drag. All right guys, we got the barbecue here. Getting ready to set it up. Just bought this. First time using it. So these are supposed to be instant lighting. We'll see how instant they light. I'm just gonna use a little piece of paper towel here.
Have enough charcoal? Did they light?
Man, they are light.
Did they light without lighter fluid?
Are they gonna stay lit?
Holy shit balls.
Are they gonna stay lit? That's the question.
They're charcoal soaked in lighter fluid, my dear.
Are they? Alright guys, so we got some fresh frozen burgers from Walmart. Nothing special, nothing fancy here. And I'm straight on there.
Spencer gonna help?
I love burgers.
Here we got some Grizzly Joe's seasoning. We got this at the Fred Hall show. And pretty good.
Pretty bomb.
Pretty good seasoning. I don't even know what's in it.
You should probably put it in your hand and sprinkle it.
Hand on the burger don't hurt.
A little crunch. Crispy burgers.
That's what we got, boys. Plate full of cheeseburgers. Yes, sir. We got the beans going in there. And we about to start smacking. Burgers. Happy 4th. 4th of July. Celebrating our Independence Day.
I have burger. Burger.
America.
America. This is what freedom is.
Huh? Take a bite. Just don't spit it out this time.
What?
You always spit it out on camera.
Okay.
Tastes like barbecue. Barbecue taste.
Pretty good.
You got beans. Yes, sir.
I turned the heat off, so.
I don't understand why you want to eat beans and beans are burger.
Are you serious? That's America. It's America.
It's nasty.
Beans and burgers, America.
That's so nasty.
We got the squid, a little drop shot weight, light set up. Ooh. Darn it. Oh, the wind's pushing. That's what it is. I swear the wind's blowing this way.
That way. I'll give you that.
Let's get him, my boy. Hey, this line was not that tight.
Something might be on it.
That's a quiet ass guy, though.
You can still hear it though. Second little tease of the day. Yeah, that's what it is, right?
Yep.
We're waiting for that
Definitely.
rod bend to just. That's what I want. Waiting for some giants. I'm recording. This road's hella rough, huh? Walked away to go to the bathroom.
I tried. It took off though. You could add wasn't it running?
It just took off with it?
Bro.
Dude, that's a chunk.
Nice 12, 13 incher, huh?
Heck yeah.
Whew. Heck yeah.
Yeah.
4th of July bass, guys.
So all of a sudden it just
Got
dipped
it.
out, huh?
Dip,
My pole
rod
gun
bend.
was mine.
I mean, yeah.
Damn.
It's really that was so good.
Something hitting this one. It's definitely a spotty. Oh, it's a spotty.
Big ass.
I've never had a spotty fight so hard in my life. Woo! I could tell it was a spotty by the way it was hitting. Spotties,
Number 2, guys.
the spotties are coming in. He's not even that big. Choke that big old piece of bait with that big ass circle hook.
Jesus.
I forgot I had a, oh damn. Look at that.
Jesus.
On that big old hook.
Hold on, let me get one more angle.
Little spotty, 10-incher. I like releasing them on the beach. Whoa, wrong way, buddy. Big, big. Isaac, oh! Dude, I had something big.